go see crocodiles.
You want to see crocodiles?
Yeah.
Okay, where they at?
Right past the turtle and the snake.
Well, where are the turtles and the snakes?
Right
Show me on the map.
next to the crocodile.
Okay. And who are you?
Damien?
Are you Batman?
Yeah. Let's see on the map. Alright. We're going down, and we have to go to the crocodile,
Mhm.
and see the snake, and turtle,
Mhm.
and
And then where are we gonna go?
to see the kangaroos.
The kangaroos.
Yep.
And then where are we gonna go?
So, a monkey place?
Do you want to go back to the monkey place?
Oh, no. Go there.
All right.